Can one single cell become every type of cell in your entire body? The answer is yes. And it's happening right now inside you. Want to know how? Let's dive in. This is going to blow your mind. Okay, here's the deal. There are special cells in your body called stem cells that have an incredible superpower. They can turn into brain cells, muscle cells, blood cells, basically any type of cell you need. And in this video, we're going to discover what embryonic and adult stem cells are. See where they're found in your body, learn how they differentiate into specialized cells, and even test your knowledge with some quiz questions. This is going to be fun. Let's go! So first things first. Every single person on Earth started as one cell. Here's how it works. During sexual reproduction in humans, a sperm cell from the father meets an egg cell from the mother. When they fuse together, this process is called fertilization. The result? A single cell called a zygote. This zygote is special. It's unspecialized, which means it hasn't developed any specific function yet. It's like a blank canvas. But this zygote doesn't stay as one cell for long. It undergoes mitosis. That's the process of cell division where one cell splits into two identical cells. The zygote divides into two cells. Then those two divide into 4. Then 8. Then 16. And this keeps happening. After several days, you have a bundle of cells. And we call this an embryo. Now here's the incredible part. When you get to about 8 cells in the early embryo, all of these cells are unspecialized. They're all identical copies from that original zygote. These unspecialized cells have an amazing superpower. They can become any type of cell that the body needs. We call these cells embryonic stem cells. Embryonic stem cells are the master cells, the ones with unlimited potential. So we have all these embryonic stem cells, all identical, all unspecialized. But obviously, you're not made of identical cells. You have over 200 different types of specialized cells in your body. So what happens? The answer is differentiation. Differentiation is the process where an unspecialized stem cell becomes a specialized cell with a specific function. Think of it like this. A stem cell is like someone with no job. Differentiation is when they train and become a doctor or a teacher or an engineer. They become specialized. But how does a cell differentiate? The answer is genes. Every cell in your body contains the same DNA, the same genes. That's because they all came from that original zygote. But here's the key. Not all genes are turned on in every cell. During differentiation, chemical changes happen in the embryo. Some genes get switched off, and other genes get switched on. The pattern of which genes are on and which are off. That's what determines what type of cell it becomes. For example, a nerve cell has different genes switched on compared to a muscle cell, even though they both have the same DNA. So embryonic stem cells can differentiate into any type of cell. They can become neurons. That's nerve cells that transmit electrical signals around your body. They can become muscle cells packed with proteins that allow them to contract and create movement. They can become epithelial cells like the ones lining your small intestine with folded membranes to absorb nutrients. They can become red blood cells, white blood cells, fat cells. Literally any type. And here's something you might not know. Once a stem cell has differentiated into a specialized cell, it can never go back to being a stem cell again. It's a one-way street. But not all cells specialize. You're going to love this next part. Let's keep going. Okay, quick quiz. What do we call the single cell formed when a sperm fertilizes an egg? The answer is B. Zygote. That's the first cell that will eventually become a whole human. Now, most embryonic stem cells do differentiate as the embryo develops into a baby, but not all of them. Some cells remain unspecialized even after you're born. These are called adult stem cells. Don't let the name confuse you. Adult stem cells are found in children too. They're called adult because they develop after the embryonic stage. So what's the difference between embryonic stem cells and adult stem cells? It's simple. Embryonic stem cells can differentiate into any type of cell in the body. But adult stem cells can only differentiate into a limited number of related cell types. For example, adult stem cells in your bone marrow can become different types of blood cells. Red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. But they can't become nerve cells or muscle cells. They're more specialized, more limited. Adult stem cells are found in specific regions of your body. They're in your bone marrow, making new blood cells constantly. They're in your brain, making new neurons, though not many. They're in your skin, constantly replacing dead skin cells on the surface. They're in your muscles, your liver, your intestines, even your eyes. Each type of adult stem cell can only make the types of cells found in that region of the body. This makes sense. Skin stem cells make more skin cells, not brain cells. Adult stem cells have two important jobs. Job number 1. Self-renewal. Adult stem cells can divide by mitosis to make more stem cells. This is essential. If they only differentiated, you'd eventually run out of stem cells. So they keep a reserve, a backup supply by copying themselves. Job number 2. Differentiation into specialized cells. When your body needs new cells to replace damaged or worn out ones, adult stem cells differentiate. For example, your red blood cells only live for about 120 days. Then they die. Your bone marrow stem cells are constantly differentiating into new red blood cells to replace them. This is happening right now as you watch this video. Millions of new blood cells being made every second. Here's the cool part. Adult stem cells support and maintain your body throughout your entire life. Without them, you couldn't heal cuts, fight infections, or replace worn-out tissues.
Thanks so much.
Okay, second quiz. Which of these is true about adult stem cells? The answer is C. Adult stem cells can only differentiate into a limited number of related cell types. That's what makes them different from embryonic stem cells. Let me show you a real-world example. Bone marrow. This is one of the most important places where adult stem cells are found. Bone marrow is the living tissue inside your bones. It looks like jelly, and it's packed with stem cells. Bone marrow stem cells can differentiate into many types of cells, including blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen around your body. White blood cells fight infections. Platelets help your blood clot when you get a cut. All of these come from bone marrow stem cells. Here's something wild. Your body makes about 2 million red blood cells every single second. That's how fast your bone marrow is working right now. Bone marrow stem cells have been used in medicine for years. Bone marrow transplants help people with leukemia and other blood cancers. Doctors take healthy bone marrow stem cells from a donor and put them into a patient. Those stem cells start making new healthy blood cells. Check this out. Other types of adult stem cells are being researched too. Scientists are studying brain stem cells, muscle stem cells, and skin stem cells. They're trying to figure out how to use them to treat diseases and injuries. Now let's talk about something really important. Once an embryonic stem cell has differentiated, it cannot change back into a stem cell. It's a one-way process. Why? Because during differentiation, permanent changes happen to the cell. Certain genes are switched off forever. The cell loses its ability to become other types of cells. This is actually a good thing. Imagine if your muscle cells suddenly decided to become brain cells. Your muscles would stop working. Or if your skin cells turned into blood cells, you'd have holes in your skin. You need your specialized cells to stay specialized. But here's where it gets interesting. Scientists have found ways to trick specialized cells into acting like stem cells again. These are called induced stem cells. They take a normal skin cell and use special chemicals to turn on the genes that were switched off. Suddenly, the skin cell behaves like an embryonic stem cell again. This is a big deal for medicine, because it avoids some of the ethical issues around using embryonic stem cells from embryos. Final quiz of the video. Let me know in the comments how many you got correct. What process do adult stem cells use to make more stem cells? The answer is B. Mitosis. That's the process that makes identical copies. Alright, let's bring this all together. Here are the key differences between embryonic and adult stem cells. Embryonic stem cells come from early embryos. They can differentiate into any type of cell in the body. They have unlimited potential. But once they differentiate, they can never go back. Adult stem cells are found in children and adults. They can only differentiate into a limited number of related cell types. They're found in specific areas like bone marrow, skin, brain, and muscles. They have two jobs: self-renewal and differentiation to replace damaged cells. Both types are incredibly important. Embryonic stem cells build the body during development. Adult stem cells maintain and repair the body throughout life. Scientists are researching both types to develop treatments for diseases like diabetes, Parkinson's disease, and spinal cord injuries. The potential is huge, but there are clinical, ethical, and social issues to work through. Let's recap what we've learned. Every human starts as a single cell called a zygote. That zygote divides by mitosis to form an embryo made of embryonic stem cells. These cells are unspecialized and can become any type of cell through differentiation. Differentiation happens when genes are switched on or off. The pattern determines what type of cell forms. Adult stem cells remain unspecialized even after birth. They can only differentiate into a limited number of related cell types. They're found in specific areas like bone marrow, skin, brain, and muscles. Adult stem cells have two jobs: self-renewal through mitosis and differentiation to replace damaged cells. Once a cell has differentiated, it can never go back to being a stem cell. It's a one-way process. Understanding stem cells helps us understand how the body develops, how it repairs itself, and how we might treat diseases in the future. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more awesome biology content. Drop a comment telling me which type of stem cell you found most interesting. And check out my other videos on my channel. There's loads more to explore. Thanks for watching. This is iNewittAll, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing.